Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Understanding excessive fuel consumption, the impact of fuel pump pressure and leakage. Excessive fuel consumption can be a frustrating issue for vehicle owners. One of the common culprits behind this problem is a fuel pump with abnormal pressure or leakage. Understanding the impact of fuel pump issues on overall performance is crucial for maintaining a vehicle's efficiency and preventing potential safety hazards. In this video, we will delve into the causes and implications of excessive fuel consumption related to fuel pump pressure and leakage, as well as explore potential solutions for addressing these issues. Please take a moment to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Understanding fuel pump pressure and leakage. Understanding the intricacies of fuel pump pressure and potential leakage is crucial for maintaining a vehicle's fuel efficiency and overall performance. Let's delve into the importance of fuel pump pressure, the implications of excessive pressure, and how to identify potential fuel pump leakage. What is fuel pump pressure? Fuel pump pressure refers to the force at which fuel is delivered from the fuel tank to the engine. It is a critical component in the proper functioning of a vehicle's fuel system. The fuel pump maintains the necessary pressure to ensure a consistent flow of fuel to the engine for combustion. The ideal fuel pump pressure varies depending on the vehicle make and model, and it is typically regulated by a fuel pressure regulator to maintain optimal levels. The impact of excessive fuel pump pressure. Excessive fuel pump pressure can lead to various issues within the vehicle's fuel system. When the pressure surpasses the manufacturer's specifications, it can cause the fuel injectors to deliver an excessive amount of fuel to the engine, resulting in a rich air-fuel mixture. This can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, rough idling, and potential damage to engine components over time. It is essential to address and rectify excessive fuel pump pressure to maintain the vehicle's performance and longevity. Identifying fuel pump leakage. Fuel pump leakage can occur due to various factors such as a deteriorated pump diaphragm, damaged seals, or corrosion. Common signs of fuel pump leakage include the smell of fuel near the vehicle, visible fuel puddles underneath the car, and a sudden drop in fuel efficiency. It is crucial to promptly identify and rectify fuel pump leakage to prevent potential safety hazards and ensure the proper functioning of the vehicle's fuel system. In summary, understanding fuel pump pressure and potential leakage is vital for preserving a vehicle's fuel efficiency and overall operation. Keeping a close eye on fuel pump pressure and promptly addressing any signs of leakage can contribute to the longevity and performance of a vehicle's fuel system. Causes of excessive fuel consumption. Fuel consumption can be influenced by various factors, and understanding the causes is crucial in optimizing fuel efficiency and reducing costs. Fuel pump pressure irregularities. Clogged fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter restricts the flow of fuel to the engine, leading to increased fuel demand and reduced efficiency. Faulty fuel pressure regulator. When the fuel pressure regulator malfunctions, it can result in excessive fuel delivery to the engine, leading to higher consumption. Fuel pump wear. Over time, the fuel pump may experience wear and lose its ability to maintain optimal pressure, causing irregularities in fuel delivery. Fuel pump leakage and its effects on fuel efficiency. Leaking fuel injectors. When fuel injectors leak, excess fuel enters the combustion chamber, leading to inefficient burning and increased consumption. Cracked fuel lines. Cracks in fuel lines can lead to fuel leakage, resulting in loss of fuel and decreased efficiency. Faulty seals or gaskets. Worn-out seals or gaskets in the fuel pump assembly can cause fuel leakage, impacting overall efficiency. Other factors contributing to high fuel consumption. Inefficient driving habits. Aggressive acceleration, abrupt braking, and excessive idling can significantly contribute to higher fuel consumption. Improperly inflated tires. Underinflated tires create more resistance, requiring additional fuel to maintain speed and performance. Aerodynamic drag. Roof racks, open windows, and other aerodynamic inefficiencies can increase drag, leading to higher fuel consumption. Understanding these causes and addressing them promptly can help mitigate excessive fuel consumption and optimize overall fuel efficiency. Effects of fuel pump issues on vehicle performance. Decreased fuel efficiency. When your fuel pump is not functioning optimally, it can lead to decreased fuel efficiency in your vehicle. A faulty fuel pump may not be able to deliver the right amount of fuel to the engine, causing it to work harder and consume more fuel. This can result in decreased miles per gallon and more frequent visits to the gas station, ultimately impacting your wallet. Engine misfires and stalling. Another common effect of fuel pump issues is engine misfires and stalling. A malfunctioning fuel pump can disrupt the fuel flow to the engine, leading to irregular combustion and causing the engine to misfire. In severe cases, it can even result in engine stalling, leaving you stranded on the road. These issues not only affect the performance of your vehicle but also pose safety concerns. Vehicle surging and hesitation. Fuel pump problems can also manifest as vehicle surging and hesitation. When the fuel pump fails to maintain a consistent fuel flow to the engine, you may experience moments of acceleration surges or hesitation. This can make driving uncomfortable and even dangerous, especially in situations requiring quick and smooth acceleration, such as merging onto highways or overtaking other vehicles. By understanding these effects of fuel pump issues on vehicle performance, you can stay vigilant and address any potential problems promptly to ensure the optimal functioning of your vehicle. Diagnosing fuel pump problems. Signs of fuel pump pressure irregularities. When your vehicle experiences fuel pump pressure irregularities, there are several signs to watch out for. These include engine sputtering at high speeds, difficulty starting the engine, and a lack of power when accelerating. Additionally, if you notice unusual noises coming from the fuel tank or decreased fuel efficiency, it could indicate a problem with fuel pump pressure. Identifying fuel pump leakage. Identifying fuel pump leakage is crucial in diagnosing fuel pump problems. Look for fuel puddles under the vehicle, a strong smell of fuel inside or outside the car, and visible stains on the fuel tank. These are common indicators that there may be a leakage issue with the fuel pump. It's also important to inspect the fuel lines and connections for any signs of wear or damage that could lead to leakage. Using diagnostic tools. Utilizing diagnostic tools can help pinpoint fuel pump issues accurately. A fuel pressure gauge can measure the actual fuel pressure to determine if it falls within the manufacturer's specifications. This tool can help identify whether the fuel pump is delivering the right amount of pressure to the engine. Additionally, a smoke machine can be used to test for fuel vapor leaks in the system, aiding in the detection of potential fuel pump leakage. Regularly using these diagnostic tools can aid in the early detection and resolution of fuel pump problems. Preventing and addressing fuel pump issues. Regularly maintaining and inspecting your vehicle's fuel pump is crucial in preventing potential issues. By addressing fuel pump leakage and regulating fuel pump pressure, you can ensure optimal fuel efficiency and performance. Regular maintenance and inspection. Regular maintenance involves checking for wear and tear on the fuel pump, fuel lines, and connections. It's essential to look for any signs of corrosion, damage, or leaks. Additionally, inspect the fuel filters and replace them as recommended by the manufacturer. A well-maintained fuel system can significantly reduce the risk of fuel pump issues. Addressing fuel pump leakage. Fuel pump leakage can lead to a loss of fuel pressure and, ultimately, excessive fuel consumption. It's important to promptly address any signs of leakage by inspecting the pump, fittings, and lines for cracks or damage. If leakage is detected, it's advisable to replace the affected components to prevent further issues. Regulating fuel pump pressure. Proper regulation of fuel pump pressure is vital for efficient fuel consumption. An excessively high or low pressure can lead to fuel wastage or engine stalling. Consider using a fuel pressure gauge to monitor the pressure and ensure it aligns with the manufacturer's specifications. If pressure irregularities are observed, adjustments or replacements may be necessary to maintain optimal fuel system performance. By proactively addressing these aspects of fuel pump maintenance, you can mitigate the risk of excessive fuel consumption and potential engine complications. Regular inspections, timely repairs, and pressure regulation can contribute to a more efficient and reliable fuel system. Summarizing, excessive fuel consumption can be a result of fuel pump pressure issues or pump leakage. It is crucial to address these issues promptly to prevent further damage to the vehicle and to ensure optimal fuel efficiency. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can help in avoiding costly repairs and keeping the vehicle running smoothly. By staying vigilant and addressing any signs of fuel pump problems early on, vehicle owners can save money and extend the lifespan of their vehicles. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.